What if I told you the future of AI is open source? Meet Meta's Llama 3.1. Meta just dropped a bombshell in the AI world with Llama 3.1, their latest open-source AI model. Designed to rival giants like GPT-4 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, Llama 3.1 is all about democratizing AI. This powerhouse excels in multilingual translation, general knowledge, and even complex mathematics, making it a versatile tool for developers. But the real kicker? It's customizable to fit your needs. Meta believes open-source AI will drive innovation, security, and accessibility, preventing a few companies from monopolizing the technology. By making Llama 3.1 accessible, Meta aims to foster a community of transparency and collective scrutiny. Built with over 16,000 NVIDIA H100 GPUs, this model is a testament to Meta's commitment to open-source AI, costing them hundreds of millions. And it's not just for show. Meta's integrating Llama 3.1 into platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, while also collaborating with Microsoft and Google. So, tech enthusiasts, keep your eyes peeled. Llama 3.1 might just be the game changer we've been waiting for.